Good morning everyone. This is my project regarding scientific calculator without using floating point library with UART. So in this project is divided into two parts. One is project demonstration with UART and second one with the help of TFT LCD display. So let's start with UART. So as you can see, there are two modes of operation. First one is interactive method, which is menu based, and second one is a command line. Let's start with interactive. So in interactive we have total 8 options, 8 mathematical operations we are doing. First one, we are doing basic operations, that is normally addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Second one is a trigonometric functions. So in trigonometric functions we have defined sine, cosine, tangent, then cot, sec, cosec, inverse sine, inverse cosine, tangent. So we have implement trigonometric functions with the help of Taylor series. So let's start with one demo. First one is sine 30 degree, which eventually gives you 0.5. The next operation is advanced mathematical functions, in which we have defined exponential, natural logarithm, power, square root, factorial, permutation, combination, etc. So in this calculation we have used Newton-Raphson method for calculating square root, exponential terms and factorials. So let's start with one demo. Let's calculate 5 factorial. So the answer 120 it gives, which is correct one. Next one is matrices operations, in which we have defined matrix addition, matrix multiplication, matrix transpose, matrix determinant, matrix inverse. So let's find out matrix transpose and determinant. So as you know, rows it changes to column and column changes to rows. Next one will be determinant. So answer is -5. That is 7 minus 12. So next one is a statistics operation, in which we have defined mean, median, mode. Let's calculate mean. The mean calculated will be 6. So next operation is number system conversion. We will give an example like converting decimal 10 to binary. as you can see it like 1010. Next we will give one next mathematical operator is equation solver. We will go for cubic equation. Like it will give real roots like 1, 2 and 3. Next we will go for H calculator. So next part of our project is scientific calculator using TFT LCD touchscreen. So here you can see we have implemented 6 functions like basic trigonometric, data conversion functions, equation solver, graph plotter. So in basic we have implemented plus minus, multiplication, division. In trigonometric we have defined sine, cos, tan, then sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, then hyperbolic sine, cos, tan. Then next one we have used data conversion. In data conversion we have used like binary to hex, decimal to hex, hex to decimal, such format. Next one is functions, in which we have implemented logarithmic, exponential, factorial, greatest common divisor, LCM, square root, log to the base 2, x raised to y, 1 upon x, such equations, such expressions. So next one we have equation solver, like quadratic, linear, cubic. So cubic we will go for the same example that we have used in previous experiment. The real poles will be 1, 2 and 3. So you can see the x1, x2 and x3 are real poles. So next one is a graph plotter. So in graph plotter we can plot any graph of any function. Like you can see sine, cos, tan, exponential, logarithmic, variable x, pi, with respect to time t. Let's find the graph for sin x. You can see it starts from 0, and there are other operations like zoom in, zoom out, left, right, derivative. Like if we take derivative, then you can see it starts from -1 to 1. We can find other other parameters like area under the curve, like it's giving 0, then roots, and we can hide those things also. So this is all about